Hi guys! So today is packing day. We leave in 2 days. I normally would have done this a few days ago, but our weekend got a little hectic. I'm gonna first show you what I've done up until this point, and then I'll show you what I also would have done if I had the opportunity, and then we'll get into it. Alright, so I have this kind of staging area here. This is just a corner of our bedroom that we don't really use. So what I did is I pulled out our suitcase and I pulled out a few other things, and I'll go through them with you. And just kind of kept everything in this area. This is everything that I know I'm bringing. Just ignore that. Those clothes in that bin, they're donations. And I have this area that as I found something or I came across something, I pulled it out of our travel area or out of a drawer and staged it here so I can't forget it. The other thing I always kind of keep out is a laundry basket. Generally what I'll do is I'll have Josh just throw in the clothes that he wants to bring so that I don't have to kind of pick for him. I don't mind picking for him. He doesn't mind that I pick. It's easier if he can decide. But we didn't get to do that this trip, so the laundry basket is kind of empty. But we didn't get to do that this trip, so the laundry basket's empty, and I'm just gonna pick the clothes for him. Alright, so I pulled everything out of that corner and I laid it on the bed, so I'll go through and just show you what I've pulled out. This is not everything, of course, we're bringing. This is just everything that I had in separate areas of the house that I wanted to pull out so I didn't forget as my brain came across them. So of course we have our empty suitcase, but in here we have duct tape. I'm not bringing the whole roll, I'm just going to wrap around the handles so we can easily identify our mundane colored suitcase at the airport, and a luggage scale. I got this years ago at the Container Store. It's been great. It's pretty spot on, and it's just so small and light that we can easily pack it so I can check on the way back with all of our fun souvenirs. A new book for Ariella. So I just grabbed this one. I had it for her first birthday but never gave it to her. So we'll have this on the plane for a quiet toy, pop-up hamper, travel back pillow for Josh because he has a bad back, Ariella's sunglasses and a hat. These were in with her summer stuff, so I just had to pull those out. A soft, quiet book for her to play with as well. So to keep her occupied on the plane. We're gonna have tons of toys, tons of snacks. This is an extra diaper bag. I'm not sure if we're bringing this, but there's stuff in it that I want to pull out, so it's just easier to grab the whole bag. Some Disney gift cards. Josh is actually getting more today, but this is just so we buy discounted Disney gift cards at Sam's Club, so we save a little bit of money, and then we buy them on our credit card, so we also get cash back and save more money. Easy quick tip for you. It's also how we kind of budget and prepay for food and souvenirs. The earplugs for the plane for air pressure. You can get these at like a CVS or a Walgreens. Those are Josh's. I can't find mine. I don't know if I'm going to buy a new set yet. Travel sunglasses for Josh. A mini nail clipping set. This is just a bag of hand sanitizer and some sunscreen. I have conditioner, shampoo. This is going to be filled with body wash. And then a mini deodorant for me. These are just some travel things that we've had, and I'll just want to kind of get rid of them. Clorox wipes. I'm going to disinfect on the plane, as well as some things in the hotel room. I'm not totally overly cautious, but just with COVID, I'd rather have them. And then whatever I don't use, I'll just throw away. This is a little excessive. It's an extra baby monitor. We're eventually going to have a second child, so we got this on super sale. Normally $170. I got it for $30. Amazon Prime Day, guys. I'm not going to bring this whole big box. I'm just going to take the stuff out. But this way I don't have to mess around with the monitor that's mounted to her wall right now. I can just take this, put it on a shelf in the room, and then call it a day. A children's tablet. We downloaded Disney Plus, so this way she had some shows on the plane. We're not a tablet family, yet at least. I can't say we never will be, but this is just for travel. She's never seen this. After we get back, it'll go right back in her travel closet, and some headphones to go with it. This is all of our charging stuff. So we have a kind of command center that has plugs and USBs, and then on the top this even sits a battery bank. I do have to go through this and just count to make sure I don't have an excessive amount, but I have enough, and if I need more I have to grab more. This is a bag of bags. Packing cubes, cosmetic cases, just so I can kind of compartmentalize everything. It just helps. Now I'm going to work on this half of the bed. Chargers, make sure those are all good and go, and then do our 2 carry-on bags. One bag is going to be strictly for Ariella, the other bag is going to be for us. The only thing that's going in there that I did not do yet is food, and I'm not doing that until tomorrow, the day before we leave, so that it's not kind of sitting too long. So I wanted to check in and show you what I did so far. So this is just my clothes. I have shorts, 2 pairs of leggings, 1 pair of jeans, and then some camis. 5 different shirts, obviously bras, underwear, socks, and shoes. I stuck the socks in my shoes to save some room. I also pulled out some ears. I don't know which ones I'm going to bring, but obviously I'm bringing ears, so they're out. And then I have a light jacket. This is going to go with me on the plane. I'm not quite sure otherwise what I'm wearing on the plane yet. It's going to be 30 degrees here when we leave and 80 when we land. And the plane's going to be a little cool, so probably this, leggings, and I may just throw on flip-flops for some fun. Quick update. I got all of Josh's clothes in, so he has 3 pairs of shorts, 5 t-shirts and 1 long sleeve in case we need it, some socks, boxers. And then over there's also a pair of his gym shorts, so that if he wants a pair of gym shorts, he has them, but we're going to keep them in the carry-on because they're small and compact, and if he wants to change when we land, he can. Now, in this section is going to be Ariella. I am going to attempt to fit everything in here, and then I'm going to put everything in packing cubes because then I can stack a little better, but this way I have Ariella, Josh, and me, and everything's kind of separate this way. After all the clothes, I will, like I said, I'll put them in packing cubes and then move on to our toiletries and stuff. I did all of Ariella's stuff, for the most part, what's up here. What I did was I took her empty laundry basket and went into her room and picked things around her room and threw them in. I also got all of our clothes into packing cubes and just kind of Tetrised it. So this is all of Ariella's clothes. Pajamas, socks, everything. These are her diapers. It's her overnight diapers and day diapers. I use 2 different kinds. And then I left 5 out just for our carry-on. I think 5 diapers until we get to the hotel is more than enough. Her hat and sunglasses I showed you. Some wipes. So I have 1 big pack of wipes that I'll keep in the hotel room. And I know I'm overkilling it with wipes, but we use wipes for everything. 2 little travel packs. And then I have 2 sample size packs of wipes. I will show them to you. Those will go on our carry-on because I think it total has 20 wipes, more than enough for the airport in the morning. In here, I have her toiletries, bows, hair bands, her brush, everything she needs in here. That big monitor box was condensed down to this little pack, so that's her monitor. I have our fold-up hamper, 2 books. These are her bedtime books that I read every night. I took out 2 other ones that we'll read, so these will come with us. Disposable bibs. These are great for eating out. You just don't have to bring the silicone ones. They're not the best thing ever, but they work, so we do like them. Disposable placemats. These are great because she does make a mess. She feeds herself at this point. We did baby-led weaning, so it's a mess, and this definitely just helps. And then that's pretty much in here. My shoes still, and then all of our clothes are Tetrised away in here. On this side, I have a crib sheet and a waterproof liner. Out of courtesy, I just wanted to bring one for her. You don't need this. This is totally excessive. But with COVID, I wanted her to have her own sheet. And then we are using their mattress, so I am doing a waterproof liner. Babies, you don't really know. And then, like I said, my ears and a chip. Hi, buddy. Getting sad, we're going. And then that mess over there is all carry-on or garbage, but now I'm going to do our toiletries, and I will check back in when I have all of those done. All right, guys, so after I packed all that stuff, I put the suitcase and carry-on bag over here. Her diaper bag I brought downstairs in case I need it before then, but I also, after I kind of packed everything up, I had some things come up that I realized I needed pajama shorts, some masks. We have some more masks, some more Disney gift cards, and these are our clothes for the flight. So I'm going to open everything back up, finish packing, and then also on the bed I have a bag of medicine, just some Tylenol, Motrin for Ariella. There's some Tums, ibuprofen for us, and then a few prescriptions. That way we just have all our meds together, and that's going to go in our check bag. I'm not putting that in our carry-on. Alright guys, I wanted to show you the suitcase before toiletries and last minute items tomorrow morning. The things I threw in here is I took a few of these out and put them in our carry-on, so they'll stay in here. Our masks are in there now. The medicine, I thought it would be maybe a cute picture because we used this for her baby announcement, our pregnancy announcement. Maybe get a picture of her with this next time we're there. I don't know. It fits and it's not taking up too much room, so I don't care. My pajama shorts are in here, and then I kind of redid the carry-on bag a bit, and I'll show you. I just have Josh's sunglasses in here and one mask for me. Our backup masks, the Clorox wipes, and our liquid. So hand sanitizer, a little sunscreen. We don't bring many liquids on the plane. All of our Disney gift cards and those wet wipes that I showed you. This is the inflatable back pillow. Her headphones, her tablet, and chargers down at the bottom. We're going to have all of our camera stuff in here too, except for the tripod. The tripod's going to go in here. And then her diaper bag is packed. And then all the other stuff I have to do today is just food prep, and food will also go in here because her diaper bag is full. Alright guys, so next time we check in, I will show you our finished stuff. It'll probably be tomorrow morning. The last few things that I have to add in here is like things that I have to use tonight. So sound machine, our toiletries, the last minute items that you can't really live without or have duplicate of. Those are in here. We'll close up the suitcase and we'll be on our way tomorrow morning. I'm going to go ahead and end our packing video here just so the last minute items aren't too exciting and you can kind of see how everything turned out. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you can see when new videos come out, and see you real soon.